start of a new day, guys. Let's try and scout for some significant characters. My red is at sync move 2. Level 2. Still don't get red. Sad. We don't have enough. Still don't have Signasut Alessa. Please, this be here. This be her, guys. Please.
Nice to meet you. I'm Eevee. Let's explore our Pokemon's potential together.
Yes, we got leave. We got leave, guys. And that means we only need Alessa or Signasut Alessa. We only need her now and to level up red, you know. Eevee is not here. Eevee has or is invisible, but yay, we got leave. We got leave, guys. Yay. Satisfied. Satisfied. I was like looking or reading at whatever was written on the screen. I don't know which sync pair that conversation, that dialogue is from. So when I saw Lee, OMG, OMG. Yay! We got Leaf. We got Leaf. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.